Hello student, most welcome to Narayan Biology classes. And student, in this video lecture we study about the process of photosynthesis which occur in green plants. And this process of photosynthesis occur only in autotrophs, and autotrophs are able to perform the process of photosynthesis because they contain a very important pigment, and that pigment is known as chlorophylls, and these chlorophyll pigment present inside the plastic or chloroplast. So the cells of polysaccharide layer contains photosynthetic centers. First of all, light is trapped by chlorophyll which present in the mesophyll cell in the polysaccharide layer of leaves. So the polysaccharide layer of leaf contain a very important cell which is known as mesophyll cells, and mesophyll cells contain an important pigment chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is responsible for the process of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis occurs in mesophyll cell of polysaccharide layer. Chemical equations for photosynthesis is 6CO2 combined with 12H2O in presence of sunlight or sun energy, and also an important pigment chlorophyll to form C6H12O6 glucose and 6H2O water, and oxygen is released which goes in atmosphere. So first of all, we know that what event occur in the photosynthesis. The first event which occur in photosynthesis is light is absorbed by chlorophyll molecules. First of all, light is absorbed by chlorophyll molecules, and this absorbed light convert into the chemical energy. This is the another process in which this light energy is converted into the chemical energy. At the same time, when the light energy is converted into the chemical energy, photolysis of water takes place. Photolysis of water means breakdown of water in the presence of light is called photolysis of water. It means that water molecule is split into hydrogen and oxygen in presence of light. When water molecule is break into oxygen and hydrogen in presence of light, this is known as photolysis of water. This is also asked in the board examination, what is the photolysis of water, and oxygen is a result of a photolysis of water. Now when light energy is converted into chemical energy, and at the same time carbon dioxide is converted into glucose by using ATP and NADP which produced during the light reaction. So the product which are the light reaction is ATP and NADP. This light energy product help in the conversion of carbon dioxide into glucose, and conversion of carbon dioxide into glucose occur in dark. So it is the dark reaction, while the production of oxygen is the light reaction. So chlorophyll, light, carbon dioxide, water are necessary for the photosynthesis. So these are the important raw material which are required for the process of photosynthesis. So thanks. From these topics which question arises in board exam, what is photolysis? So photolysis is the water splitting of water molecule in presence of light into hydrogen and oxygen is known as photolysis of water. Another, define the process of photosynthesis. Another question is arise from this topic, and write the equation of photosynthesis. Also from this topic, one another question is for in board exam is that light reaction, where is light reaction is occurs. So light reaction occur in the granular portion of the chloroplast, and where is the dark reaction occur? The stomach portion of the chloroplast. So this is the important question which arise from this topic. Thank you very much.